Alright, before we begin this video, I want to give a quick shout out to Plus Forward Charisma, a fellow LARPing YouTuber. Make sure you tell her that DragonCyrus sent you. And make sure you... Won't you kindly subscribe, like, comment, and go to the links down. Hail and well met, LARP Nation. Today we're gonna show you how to make a collapsible 10-foot pole. Every adventure needs this. It doesn't happen all the time you can use it, but it's nice to have around. Just like rope. So, what you need to make this is a PVC pipe, a dowel rod that can barely fit inside the PVC pipe, a saw, a PVC cutter, if you have it. You can always use the saw for the PVC pipe. A sharp, hardened knife sharpener. It's important, to keep things sharpened. And a ruler, and a marking device. Alright, so, first things first, figure out how long do you want it, and what is a good length that you can store it in a bag, a backpack, or whatnot. So I choose a foot. So for your metric folks, you could probably do a quarter of a yard or 1/4 of a yard. All right, so let's get to it. Alright, I'm going to show you one side to do it with a PVC cutter. Alright, I highly recommend, if you're going to, construct a lot of things with PVC pipe, that go grab yourself one. Alright, then take your sharp knife, be careful, and it's important to have a sharp tool. Because dull tools, you get injured compared to sharp tools. So, this way, you get a nice little lip in there. Oh, I also forgot to mention, also, it is nifty to have sandpaper on hand. So, we have a dowel rod about 2 inches or 6 centimeters worth of length for your dowel rod. And cut that off. Fast forward! Alright, make sure when you are whittling your dowel rod, trying to make it a little bit into a point, not make it pointy, but enough that it can fit inside. That's where you have that lip that we were making. After you do it on one side, then you can do it on the other side. Alright. You have the dowel rod already. Alright, you take a hammer, or you can just pound it down. So it's gonna be in there a good deal. So well, this way you can have it attached to another end, and you can just wiggle it out, and voila. Alright, so you're gonna make several poles with one end having a dowel rod and the other one not. So do that until you reach the desired length of your collapsible pole. Alright, and repeat. Alright, after you get it all complete, and you can probably use some gray duct tape or wood grain duct tape, but you can always say you could touch anything with a 10-foot pole, or don't touch it. Go up to a monster, be like, poke, or check for traps. So, and it's collapsible. Remember, stay hydrated.